Hey, what's up, guys? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Reef Finance, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the latest price prediction, the latest price update for Reef Finance. What's the price? What's the price changes occur in the Reef Finance? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about your Reef Finance. Let's start the video, guys. The right now price of Reef Finance in the market is 0.024253 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Reef Finance. And furthermore, if we talk about the changes, so now the last 1 hour changes is negative 1.78%, last 1 day changes is positive 1.64%, in last 1 week changes occur in a Reef Finance about negative 5.76%. The price changes of Reef Finance is completely negative. Anyways, guys, now let me show you the price chart of a Reef Finance. You can see here, guys, on 6 to 5 September, the price of Reef Finance will be decrease. But after fast, now you can see here they again start a struggle about a jump. And if I zoom the latest price chart, so you can see here that only and only they start jumping. You can see here. That is 11 September. Just look here. Now that's clear. From 10 September, the Reef Finance started jumping, guys. And I hope, guys, that continue this pump for a long time. So now it is a good time of Reef Finance, guys. Hold. Now it is a profit time. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.